Hey guys, I'm Rae.
And I'm Jason.
And this is a product review of VIAIR's portable automatic air compressor.
And their RV Winterization Kit, which is brand new.
So Jason's gonna go ahead and walk you through exactly how we use our VIAIR air compressor, just to show you how easy it is to use. And then we're gonna show you a little more in depth of their new winterization kit, because it's getting close to winter and I know you guys need to start winterizing. And after that, we'll be giving you the details on how to enter our fall giveaway. If you've watched any of our other videos, you know that we love VIAIR and we kind of promote them any chance we get. We've never been affiliated with them in the past, we just love their product. And this caught their attention, so they gave us a free air compressor and their new winterization kit to go ahead and give away to one of you guys. So stick around to the end because you don't want to miss this giveaway.
All right, so let's head over to the truck and grab the air compressor so we can get this review started. We keep our VIAIR in the truck because if the truck ever needs it, it's there. And if the trailer ever needs it, we're always gonna have our truck. So let's take a look at what's in the VIAIR. First thing you'll notice is it comes in this great carrying case that actually holds everything together. So no need to have all your accessories all over the place. In your main pouch here, that's where I keep heavy VIAIR compressor. And it has a little filter on here to help keep dirt out of it. It's heavy duty, and as you can tell, it has this little vibration dampening feet so it doesn't shake all over the place when it's running. You get your gas station style trigger, which is cool. It also has a pressure gauge on there. It also has two quick connect adapters here that go onto your gun. This one will screw on so you don't have to hold it onto your tire. And then this is your double-sided for your dualies, which is great. So you don't have to try to reach in between to your back dually tire. You can just press it on with this handy adapter. Also, your VIAIR is powered by 12-volt DC, so you just connect these onto your battery, either your truck or your trailer battery. So in addition to that, we have two 30-foot air hoses, which fit in the front pocket and the back pocket. So there's definitely plenty of space, and as you can tell, there's also some extra filters, which is great. And then here's like extra little adapters for bicycle pump or anything else. So let's go see how this thing actually works. All right, so now that you have it connected to your 12-volt source, and if you can tell, it has a long enough power cable where it can still sit on the floor even though this truck is really big. You go ahead and you connect your hose. So another great thing is they label the hoses, primary hose and extension hose. Cool. Add your quick connect gas station style trigger gun, and for our purposes we'll be using the screw on Schrader valve. So now we'll turn it on. And since it doesn't have a tank, it pressurizes very quickly, and now you're ready to go. During inflation, due to the air velocity, the gauge pressure reading will be slightly higher than the actual pressure in the tire. Stop inflating your tire for a second to get an accurate reading on the gauge. All right, now that that's done, let's go talk specs over at the table. As we previously mentioned, it runs on 12-volt power and it has a max amperage of 30 amps. The max PSI that it can go up to is 150, but that is way more than you'll need in most trailer or RV tires. The other thing that we didn't talk about was that it has an automatic cutoff switch, so the compressor isn't loud blaring the entire time it's on. It'll only be working when you're actually using it, which is nice. So it's not running when you're going from tire to tire.
It also has an oil-less design, which is really nice, and a thermal heat protector, so it will turn off if it gets too hot. It has a max duty cycle of 40 minutes at 30 PSI, whatever that means. Moving on to the Winterization Kit. This is their new product, as we already mentioned. So if you watch our vlogs, you know that we full-time and we don't need to winterize. So we're not gonna sit here and pretend to be experts on winterization. But this is included in the giveaway and they wanna start making people aware of this new product. If you already have a VIAIR system, you could just pick this up to winterize your RV. So what this kit includes is 2 quick connect systems to the VIAIR system, an RV blowout plug, and an RV regulator. It even has on the back the instructions on how to blow out the system with compressed air.
Overall, we think that this is a better way to do it than to put chemicals in your system, because then you don't have to clean it out, you don't have to worry about any leftover antifreeze, you're just blowing the water out of your system, so.
Exactly. So if we're ever put in the position that we do need to winterize our RV, we're really glad to have this in our toolkit. All right, let's talk about the real reason you're here, the giveaway. If you want to get your hands on this 400p RV VIAIR system and their new winterization kit, the entry, we've made it pretty simple. All you have to do is click the link in the description below to provide your email address, and you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you're not already doing that, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right now. Then go ahead, as I said, into the link and provide your email address, and that is 1 entry into the giveaway.
We are also providing multiple other entries if you'd like to throw your name in the hat more than once, so feel free to do those if you want, but they are completely optional.
The information for those additional entries are also provided in the link down below, so feel free to enter as many times as you can. You have 1 week to enter this giveaway because we will be announcing the winner on October 4th. If by some chance you're watching this video after that date, well then I guess you better subscribe so you don't miss any future giveaways.
We wanted to thank VIAIR for sending us the Winterization Kit. It'll definitely come in handy if we ever need to use it, and for sending over this 400p RV compressor with the new Winterization Kit for one of our viewers. I'm sure whoever wins will appreciate it.
All right guys, go ahead and subscribe right now to go ahead and get your entry started, and don't forget to click on the link below. We're wishing everyone in our Getaway Gang the best of luck. Please give this video a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Now you're ready to go. That was an accident. But you can still use that.
And this is a product review of the VIAIR air pump. Or what's it actually called? VIAIR air compressor? And this is a product review of the portable VIAIR.
All right, let's head over to the truck and check out.
And after that, we'll be giving you the details on how to enter our fall giveaway, which we... Action.
Huh?
Action.
Because the trailer is always with the truck. Three, two.
Yeah.
Scene 2, VIAIR. Also, your VIAIR is powered with 12-volt DC, so you just connect it onto your battery right here. Also, your VIAIR...
what this little kit includes is two quick connectors, an RV is two quick connectors to the VIAIR system, an RV blowout plug. Is that how you were sitting?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, awkward.
Okay. Awkward. Announcing the winner on October 4th. So, for the love